All right, Ken, what we got?
We're going to try a new little concoction today. We've got some spice cake mix. I'm going to dump our cake mix in the bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of water.
All right.
Half a cup of vegetable oil. Can be substitute with applesauce. Don't have any applesauce.
Oh, really?
3 eggs. Okay, then we're going to just mix this together. This time of year, spice cakes are good to have. So we thought we'd try a little different. Get it all mixed
A little
up.
take on it.
Okay, we got it all mixed up now.
Nice.
Now we're going to take a bag of spice drops
Yum.
and add them in it. I don't know
Okay.
how this will be, but we're going to try it. Just going to dump
Oh, wow.
I don't want all the extra sugar in there.
So this is like a spice drop cake.
Yes. And we're just going to mix it in there.
That looks so cool.
And then we're going to bake it at 350 for about 28 minutes, 30 minutes.
Okay.
And some cream cheese frosting. Oh, it's going to be
Like all those little
good.
drops in there.
Yes. I'd say when they cook, they're going to kind of melt, I think. That's just my thinking.
Oh, yeah.
Because of the jelly.
That's going to look real interesting inside.
Yes, it is. So, level it off there.
All right.
And we're going to the oven.
Ooh.
Oh, it looks good and it
Looking
smells
good.
delicious.
Ooh, I smell that spice cake.
We'll have to let it cool a few minutes before we put our icing on there.
Okay.
But that, then we'll have a reveal how good it tastes.
Yum.
Can't wait to cut it open and see the gummy drops.
Me too. All right, we let it cool down. Now it's time for some little icing.
We've got some rich and creamy cream cheese icing.
Awesome.
I did zap it for about 15 seconds.
That's how you got that melty.
Yes. And this way, you don't need as much. I don't like cakes with a bunch of icing. It just gives it a thin layer.
Oh, yeah, that's smart.
Kind of like a cinnamon roll almost. We always have lots of desserts at ours.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh, cut right down the middle.
Ditto. Oh, look.
Yeah, can you cut out a nice big piece so we can see what's in
Yes,
there?
I'm going to go right
Can I
in
have
the
a
middle.
piece of cake too?
Okay.
Wow, look at that big old piece.
See the gumdrops? They all
Oh,
go to the
yeah.
bottom. See, get your big old bite of there where the gumdrops are.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let me try me a bite.
Oh,
Oh, look
wow.
here. Look here.
Look at that.
Did you get a gumdrop on that one?
Here, I do.
There
I have
you
a
go.
red one. I love red.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
It's good.